Ford Mustang project abandoned and now in the junkyard. So just came in. They just put it in today. 67, I believe it is. And she is rough. Why am I showing it? Hey man, slim pickings in the yards these days. Transmission's gone. Sitting on a couple of Foos wheels in the front, and which wheel is this one, man? And then there's another ugly wheel on the other side. But yeah, it's rough, kind of a rough car here. I don't know if my phone here is gonna. I got this phone, new phone here, LG, not LG, Motorola. I don't know if this one's gonna have bad stabilization or not. I didn't bring my V40. My V30 is it's dying on me. But yeah, fenders don't look too bad. That glass. Oh yeah, glass is no bueno. This door does not open. Someone left some tools in there though. Front end's gone. Let's take a look. Oh, you know, I did find this in there in the trunk. Big old Rambo knife from Mossy Oak Overwatch, made in freaking China. In the trunk, so we got a Holly air cleaner, thin one, and I am sweating balls, man. It is freaking hot already. Oh man, it's gonna be 100 degrees today. Couple of these new. Were they new? XLG by KYB. Oh man, I'm already sweating on this damn phone. What do we got? A Thorson. Ow. Take a quick look underneath, but ugh. I'm not gonna hold you guys up too long on this. See how well we can. Seats are there, in rough shape. 3/4 made in China. Oh, ugh. Dang. Heavy duty drop forge, most likely made in nowhere. This one might have been made here. Maybe in Japan, it's old enough. Maybe Taiwan. So we got a couple of some new spark plugs over there. Motorcrafts. Never used. Let's say the date on this thing. Let's see the date on that. She was a manual. Yeah, it's a rough car, man. Woo. Not much really to say on it, I guess. Just thought I'd get a quick one on this one as well. Maybe a few parts here and there. Other than that, should be meeting that crusher over there soon enough. All right, people. On to the next one.